Hi, I'm Jessica from Automatic Remote Access. We are one of the largest suppliers and direct-to-market retailer of automatic roller door openers. In this short video, I'm excited to reveal to you our new Ultimate Universal Opener, the MARK-1, which is ideal for all panel lift and tilt garage doors. This amazing unit is designed in Australia and it's packed with great features. It is equipped with a heavy-duty DC motor that can effortlessly open up single and double garage doors. In fact, it is so powerful that it has a pulling force of 81.5 kilograms. This pulling force is 10 times the weight of a typical roller door, so there's no stress to the motor at all. How does it do this? It is built with an industrial strength chain drive system, driving an 800 Newton meter motor. The MARK-1 comes packed full of features. It features a soft start, soft stop function. Now this feature enables the panel or tilt door to accelerate and decelerate when it opens and closes. This reduces stress to the motor, thus increasing its life and ensures a more quieter operation. It also allows the door to come to a complete stop without a loud bang. An automatic close mode, for those that keep forgetting to close the garage door. The auto close mode is a selectable mode that automatically closes the door after a certain amount of seconds, programmable by the user. Ultra energy efficient standby system. When not in operation, the MARK-1 sleeps in standby and drastically reduces the power consumption. This unit is rated to have the lowest standby power consumption in Australia. Ultra quiet DC motor. You will never have a problem of waking up the whole house when you need to leave to work early in the morning with our ultra quiet DC motor. It has an inbuilt noise reduction system with less vibration, offering a more smooth and reliable operation without the noise. Courtesy lighting. Now this feature is very handy to have. A bright 5-watt light bulb will illuminate your garage when the opener is in use. The light will automatically turn off after 3 minutes have lapsed to prevent wasted energy. Compact. To top it off, the MARK-1 is very compact, which allows it to be fitted in its correct location, even when headroom and/or side room is limited. The MARK-1 also comes with the standard safety features and passes all the safety regulations. Anti-collision safety sensor. Should your door become obstructed while opening or closing, it will automatically stop and reverse itself to reduce injury to people and prevent damage to your property. Automatic force sensor. This feature enables the unit to monitor and adjust the force required to open your garage door during each operation. Manual disengagement. Allows you to open and close your garage door manually in the event of power failure. And finally, before we send any units out for installation, we carefully test each unit thoroughly in our testing department to ensure it meets our strictest requirements and does everything it's supposed to. In doing so, we are confident of the quality of our products, so much so that we are the only company in Australia that offers a full 7-year warranty on the entire unit. So to get one installed today or to ask any questions that we haven't answered, please call us on 1800 272 227.